Hey there, Genius Junkies! Welcome back to the channel where creativity meets simplicity. Canva has just rolled out some amazing new tools, and today I'm going to show you exactly how to use them to take your designs to the next level. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned designer, these tools are going to save you time and make your projects stand out. Let's dive in. Draw tool. First up, let's talk about the Draw tool. This new feature allows you to create custom shapes, lines, and doodles directly in Canva. It's perfect for adding a personal touch to your designs or creating unique elements from scratch. How to use: select the Draw tool from the toolbar, choose your brush size and color, and start drawing directly on your canvas. You can use it to highlight text, create underlines, or even sketch out a simple illustration. The best part? You can adjust the opacity and smoothness of your strokes to get the perfect look. Pro tip: use the Draw tool to create hand-drawn effects on social media posts, giving them a more personalized and artistic vibe. Video Background Remover. Next, we have the Video Background Remover, a game changer for video creators. This tool allows you to remove the background from any video clip without needing expensive software. How to use: upload your video, click on the Background Remover. Canva will automatically remove the background, leaving you with a clean and professional video. You can then layer it over different backgrounds or use it in your social media stories. Pro tip: combine the Video Background Remover with Canva's stock video library to create dynamic scenes, perfect for promotional videos or YouTube intros. Smart Mockups Integration. Another fantastic tool is Canva's integration with Smart Mockups. This feature allows you to create professional mockups of your designs on real products, like t-shirts, mugs, or devices. How to use: after designing your graphic, go to Apps in the left-hand panel and select Smart Mockups. Choose the product you want to showcase, and Canva will automatically place your design on it. You can adjust the placement and even change the background to match your branding. Pro tip: use Smart Mockups to present your designs to clients or showcase your products on social media, giving your work a polished and professional look. Text-to-Image AI. Lastly, let's explore the Text-to-Image AI, a powerful new tool that allows you to generate images from simple text prompts. How to use: click on the Text-to-Image feature, type in a description of what you want to see, like a futuristic city at sunset, and let Canva create it for you. This tool is perfect for when you need a specific image that you can't find in the stock library. Pro tip: use Text-to-Image AI to generate unique backgrounds or creative elements that make your designs truly one of a kind. And there you have it, Genius Junkies! These new tools in Canva are sure to make your design process faster, easier, and more creative. I hope this guide has helped you get a head start on using them. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on the latest tips and tricks from Genius Junkie. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.